How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Stillwater. I am back again with a all-new Tiny Home Tuesday, and I am showcasing one of my favorite models that we provide here at Recreational Resort Cottages. It's one that I haven't featured in over a year, but it is one of the best models when clients come in and say, Mr. Tiny, I need a 399 square foot tiny home, and I want a lot of windows, tall ceilings, and no loft, because I ain't got the grandkids coming over and I want to enjoy it to myself. Well, this is the one right here by the name of the Stillwater. This is a great model that we currently have. This home is 11 foot wide, 34 feet in length, and on sale today for $92K. So $92,000, you're going to get everything I'm going to showcase besides furniture and decorations. And keep in mind, $92K is today, not next month, not next year. This is today, so the first person that wants it, hit up Mr. Tiny about the Stillwater. And starting here on the exterior, we have the James Hardy siding in a board and batt pattern. 30 years of warranty, looking great. We also have the 30-year metal roof on this home. And the colors we chose, hey, I told them, hey, I'm bringing out my beige suit. So I'm telling you, best beige on the exterior is what it needed to be painted. Also, we have the maybe mushroom trim, and we have the tan color metal roof. So exterior looks great, amazing curb appeal, and I want to take it away from this busy highway so that way I can take you inside and showcase the quality that we provide, and you'll see how all this noise just fades into oblivion. So right here, follow me inside. And as you come in, you can see that this is a great model. Moment of silence. Quality, people. But besides that, you can see in the Stillwater, as soon as you come in, you're greeted by the tall ceilings from front to back, so that opens up this floor plan. What I personally love about the floor plan is that this model has the bay windows here on the end. So again, the name is the Stillwater. So I'm telling you, we put the windows in here so you can sit your booty still and look at the water. So that's whether you're putting it on a lake lot, if you're putting it on your property and you got a pond outside to look at. I don't even care if you got any of those. The Stillwater, you can have the sprinklers going outside and sit still and look at the water. Get your kiddie pool out there in the middle of the summer, look at that also. The Stillwater is the great view for you here. So we have 4 standard windows down below, all opening windows, so you can ventilate the home in the summer months. But also we have the double trapezoid windows up top. So that whole side is bringing in natural light. Also, you'll see that we have enough space in the living area to accommodate a full-size couch if you like. You could do a sectional if you wanted to, but I would say a small couch, love seat, or a couple of recliners in here would be great. We also have the 30 by 36 windows right here on this wall. We have the double clear stories up top, so bringing in all kinds of light. And then directly across, you can see that we have the built-in entertainment center for you as well. We have the white painted cabinets going throughout the home, so of course we're going to add it right here for your entertainment center. We already have it prepped so you can put your TV right up above here, and great use of space. And then even on the door, we have the 36-inch blinds and glass front doors. So you can choose to bring in the natural light when you want, but when you want some privacy, go ahead and throw the blinds down, you're good to go. Clear story up top as well, but look at the flow. We're gonna flow right from the living area into the kitchen, separated by a countertop bar as well. We have the shiplap pattern going here on as an accent for you to bring a little pop. Of course, we're not using dead space, so guess what? We gotta liven it up. So any dead space that we have, we make live space. So we put it in there, so additional storage for you. Also, you can come around here, you can either put stools here on the side so that way you can eat, have a sitting area, but the Stillwater is great because we even have a designated dining area in a 399 square foot tiny home. You can see right here, you get the bistro table, drop leaf table. You have enough area right here to put a couple of chairs, sit down, eat your breakfast, your lunch, dinner, and then even the window up above so you can look out onto your property and enjoy that view as well. Another clear story, because why not? We're making these ceilings high throughout, so we're bringing it all the way through. Then as you come over, countertop's gonna wrap around here. You got abundance of countertop space to sit everything that you need, great prep space. We have the stainless steel farm sink, detachable sprayer right there. You know, when you're washing off your pears, you can go ahead and have enough space to do that. We have the drawers right here to the side. You could, for those out there that said, Mr. Tiny, I need a dishwasher, you can put one in right there. You just eliminate that drawer space. So choose wisely. Whatever you want, Mr. Tiny can make it happen right here in this kitchen. Also, we have the Savoy mosaic backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinet. We even have the cabinets wrapping around here with the tape and texture soffit up above. So not only does that bring a great aesthetic to the home, but also adds additional decor space for you. So you can throw up the items that you choose and make that home one of one for you. Also, we have the black appliances, smooth top. They are electric. You can convert to gas, shall you choose to. Microwave up top, and then we have the refrigerator right here center. So that's great because you have an area right here to designate for the fridge, and we even leave enough space so that way if you want to go with the side-by-side fridge, you can do that as well. Again, additional cabinet space here, tape and texture soffits. We added 3 cabinets here for additional storage, and if that ain't enough, you know you're talking to Mr. Tiny, I gotta throw some extra. So we got 6 more on this side. So you can't say you don't have enough storage space in the Stillwater. And again, if the bay windows weren't enough, if the storage wasn't enough, guess what? This model has space for a side-by-side washer and dryer. You don't gotta worry about the stackables in here. Mr. Tiny made it happen for you. So you got your dryer and washer area and additional storage up above. So great utilization of space. And then directly across from that, once you take them dirty clothes off, you make your trip over here to the bathroom. And you come in here and you'll see, of course, we got the area for your sink. You can wash up. Got your toilet, you've seen one, you've seen them all, but right up here we have additional storage space right here in the linen cabinet above your toilet. Also, we have the 48-inch tile shower. We chose to go with the vertical pattern on the tile. We chose to go with the providential glass tile right here. We chose to go with the white grout. And again, look at this abundance of height in this bathroom. So I don't care who you are, Shaq Diesel can go through here and have enough space to slam dunk right here in the shower. And as you come on out, we go through this pocket door separating the bathroom into the second pocket door here separating the bedroom, and you come on in and look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You can see that you got enough space here for a queen size bed. You can put a couple nightstands on each side. You can go to a king size if you want, but then it turns into a what? Bedroom. You've got enough space to accommodate that here. Additional cabinetry up top, so that way you have additional storage here for you. Put a nice book up there, whatever you want to do. And then even we got your electrical panel box over here for ease, but we have that covered by, of course, a cabinet. So that way we make the nice decor feature for you. Window here off the back, so that way you have that natural light coming in the morning if you would like to do so. And then directly across, we didn't go with the barn doors on this model. We chose to go with the bifold because people like those as well. We painted them white to match, of course, the dresser here, the 4-drawer dresser, and then the additional space here that you can include a TV or additional decor if you like. But with this bifold, you got the space here, hanging space, you've got the space down below for your shoes, whatever you like. And you know I got a, real wood. We got it right here for you as well, ladies and gentlemen. You know I had to do it. I just couldn't help myself. Now follow me back through so I can help you see the home that you need if you're currently in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home. You guys follow me through and see how this opens up. It's so light, so airy. This is a great model if you're currently in the market for a tiny home with no loft. Look no further than the Stillwater, ladies and gentlemen. And again, to go back over the dimensions, this particular home is 11 feet wide, it's 34 feet long, and it's on sale today for $92K. $92,000, you'll get everything you see in this video besides furniture and decor. So this is a price you can't beat. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button right now. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoyed this week's Tiny Home Tuesday. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know I'm bringing these videos each and every week. Everything from 399 square foot tiny homes to 2,500 square feet multi-sections. So I've got everything from your brother, your sister, your mama and daddy, your elder pappy. I've got a home for everybody here, right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Stillwater was. I know what mine was. I'm just saying. Leave that down in the comment section. Let me know what you enjoyed. Hey, let me know if you would make any changes to the floor plan or look back at previous videos. We've got over 250 videos online for you to view so you can have a tiny home of your liking. Also, if you want to connect with me, run on over to Instagram right now. Follow me at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Stillwater as well as hundreds of other floor plans directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, guys, I'm Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.